Good morning children, how are you all? Here is your educator Divya Miss. Children, today we will continue our chapter 19, that is M is R plus ing form. Okay, children, open page number 42 in your grammar textbook. We will continue our fill in the blanks with the help of these options. We will choose the correct option from this bracket and we'll fill in the blanks. Okay, but let us revise M is R first. Okay, so children, M, we use always M with I am. Is we use with he, she, it. So let's speak with me. He is, she is, it is. We use are with the pronoun we, you, they. So let's speak with me. We are, you are, they are. Okay. So revise. Again. I am, he is, she is, it is. We are, you are, they are. And now let's fill in the blanks. 5 number. Tommy and Rover blank on the floor. Children, remember, when there are more than 2 persons, we will use M is or R. So Tommy and Rover are. Now observe the picture. On the floor, what do they do, children? They are sitting, right? Tommy and Rover are names of these puppies and they are sitting on the floor. So we will write down Tommy and Rover are sitting. Observe the picture, children, so you can choose the correct option. Are sitting on the floor. 6 number. The sun. Look at here, the sun. Blank in the sky. One person, one place, one animal, one thing. We will use is. Right? So, we will write here the sun is. What does the sun do, children? It is shining. The sun is shining in the sky. Now, 7 number. The gods. Children, plural form. More than one. Gods. If there is only one god, we will say the god is. But when there are more than one, we will use are. The gods are. The bridge. What do they do, children, on the bridge? They are crossing the bridge, right? So, let's write down. The gods are crossing the bridge. Next, 8 number. The puppies. Here again, children, more than one puppy. If there will be only one puppy, the puppy is. But there are more than one. So, the puppies are. The puppies are. Now, look at the picture, children. Look at the picture. Observe it and understand it. What they are doing? The puppies are playing. Here there is a ball. So we can say they are playing. So the puppies are playing here. We will tick here, children. We will tick here the option. Right? Playing. The puppies are playing. Now, 9 number. They blank their tails. What do they do with the tails, children? They are wagging. Wagging means moving side by side. Wagging means moving side by side. It is called wagging. So, they are wagging their tails. Now, 10 number. The monkey blank a banana. Children, what do we do with the banana? Of course, we will eat. So, here the monkey is eating a banana. One animal, children. So, we used is. The monkey is eating a banana. And we will take eating here also. 11. Diya blank for a book. Here, look at here. There is a Diya. And what she is doing? She is asking a boy about a book. So, we will write Diya is one girl, children. So, we will use is. Diya is asking. Diya is asking for a book. Let's take down asking. I blank a song. Children, what do we do to a song? We will sing a song. So here we can write I am singing a song. Why we use am here? Because we use always am with I. Remember na, I am. So I am singing a song. And let's take singing. Come to the next page. Page number 43. We will continue the same exercise. Fill in the blanks with the help of these words. 13 number. The little bird blank loudly. Children, remember na, animal sound. Animal sound. Birds chirp. Always birds chirping. So, the little bird is chirping. The little bird is chirping loudly. 14 number. I am blank to eat. Children, listening, hugging or crying. Listening. When the bird is chirping, what do? We listen to them. So, I am listening to it. Bird is chirping and I am listening. I am listening to it. 15 number. Ritu blank, she has got hurt. Children, what do we do when we got hurt? Definitely we will cry. So here Ritu is also crying. Ritu is crying. Ritu is crying. 16. Mother blanks Ritu. Now what does mother do, children? Hugging. Look at here. Look at the picture. Let's write down. Mother is hugging Ritu. exercise B. What is it, children? Look at the picture given here. Look at here, children. It is a picture. Can you guess? It is at garden, zoo or beach? Yes, it is a beach, right? You can see water here, coconut tree here. So we can image it is a beach. Now what do we do? Complete the given sentences. Use is, are or am with doing words given in the box. Same exercise, children. We will choose the correct option from this pink color box and then after we will fill in the blanks. Okay. Let's start reading. Ruth, Jim and Simi. Children, these are the names of these children. Ruth, Jim and Simi have gone for a picnic. Yes, you can see in the picture the children are at picnic. Ruth and Jim. Here, look at here. Ruth and Jim are. Am is or are, children. When there are more than two persons, we will use are. So, Ruth and Jim are. Look at here, children. What do they doing? Playing, smiling, holding, sitting, enjoying, throwing. What do they are doing? Ruth and Jim are playing on the beach. They are playing on the beach. Jim blank a ball at Ruth. Here is a Jim. What is he doing, children? He is throwing ball at Ruth. So we will write down Jim is throwing a ball. Jim is throwing a ball at Ruth. Simi blank on the mat. Look at here, children. Simi. Here it is a mat. Simi is sitting. Simi is sitting on the mat, and with Simi one girl. One boy, one girl, we will use is. So Simi is sitting. Simi is sitting on the mat. C blank. What is she doing, children? Look at her. Look at her, children. Look at Simi. Look at her face. What is she doing? She is smiling. She is smiling. She blank a bowl. Look at her, children. She is holding a bowl in her hand. Right? So, we will write down holding. And remember now, he is, she is, it is. So, here we will write she is. She is holding a bowl. They blank the weather. They enjoying the weather. Now with they, what we will going to write down, children? Am is or are. We are, you are, they are. Don't forget, always speak and write so it will be easier for you to remember it. We are, you are, they are. So here we will write down they are. They are enjoying the weather. Very good children. And children, don't forget to solve the exercise.